In this video, I'm going to go over how you can add fractions with different denominators. And the first thing we want to do is actually find a common denominator. In order to do that, you just have to start with the largest number you see in the denominator. In this case, it's 8. And since fractions are actually telling you to divide by a number here, we're going to ask ourselves, can this 8 be evenly divided by 8? Yes. How about this 8 being evenly divided by 5? Oh, nope, that can't happen. So our guess at LCD being 8 will not work. So what we do is we just jump up to the next multiple of 8, which is 16. And we do this again. Can you divide 16 evenly by 8? Yes. Can you divide 16 evenly by 5? No. So we will continue this process until we find a number that is evenly divisible by 8 and 5, which is 40. So how can we convert these fractions to have the same denominator? The first way, I think the easiest way we can do this, is just ask the question, what number do you get when you divide 40 by 8? When you type that in a calculator, you will get 5. So what we'll do is we'll multiply the second fraction by 5 over 5. And if you look at the denominator, when we multiply these together, we will get 40. So we can do the same thing for 1/5. What number do you get when you actually divide 40 by 5? Well, you'll get 8. So multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by the same number, 8. From here, you'll see that when you multiply across the tops of these fractions, you get 8 over 40. And when you multiply across the tops of these fractions, you'll get 35 over 40. So that's 8 over 40 plus 35 over 40. Now the denominators match, which means we can operate across the numerators. So 8 plus 35 is 43 over 40. And just as a quick check, once you add two fractions together, you have to check to see if this fraction reduces at all. And this one will not. The final answer here, 43 over 40.